Ay!
Mas malakas yung power pag lower tension talaga.
Feels much heavier.
My name is Dax Gavin G. Rivera. I'm 15 and I've been playing for 1 year.
Okay. Anong racket and string tension mo?
Protect Matrix Nano.
Okay.
VBS 66 Nano. And
Anong tension?
26 by 28.
Okay. So yung video today, so there's 5 1000Zs dito, diba? All of them are strung at a different tension, pero same string. So I want you to try each one and then tell me which one you prefer. I won't tell you the tension until afterwards, diba? So you just need to tell me, oh, I prefer yung black one, I prefer yung orange one. Hi. Hi. So ano mo na, rank them, like which one do you prefer the most? Which one do you hate the most? So worst to best dito. Okay, so again guys, yung ranking niya, red, orange, white, black, yellow. Thank you, Dax. Thank you, thank you.
My name is Gabriel po. My age is 15 years old. My current racket is Fennet PJ Power Speed. And my string is Lexball 68.
Okay.
At 26.
26 by 28, so 27. Okay. Drive. As you guys can see, the black one is at 22 pounds. I'm whispering, so maybe you can't hear me, but the power is much better. It's much more forgiving sa technique niya, obviously, as you guys can see. A lot of these are now starting to go out kasi. White, black, orange. First, white, black, yellow, orange, red. Okay, thank you, Gabriel. Thank you, thank you. Anong name mo?
Jet gagawin ko.
Racket and tension mo?
Ball trick, 45i.
Okay.
String cross, 28-27.
Kumusta black?
Feels much heavier.
So does that mean like more power, or what do you mean by heavier?
I need to use more power on the black one.
On the black one, okay. Hi.
parang gumagamit ako ng more power dito. Like, kesa sa black one.
So it's easier to use than the black one?
Yeah.
Ay, nako! Patangin. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Okay lang. So, first of all, kumusta yung, palo?
Nagagamit ko po talaga yung match power ko.
Okay, so, if you're to, rank them, like, best color dito, worst color dito, anong order mo? Sige. Thank you. Okay lang. Normal yan.
I'm Angeles Matthew po.
Matthew.
I'm 17 years old po.
Okay.
I'm using Victor Truster Ryuga. Then
Okay.
tension
Ryuga 1 or 2?
1.
1. Okay.
Then tension 27, main cross 29.
Okay, anong string though?
BJ80.
BJ80. Okay, so rank them like which one was the one you enjoyed the most using and which one you hate the most. So best here, worst doon.
Yung masasabi ko lang po sa dalawa po dito.
Yeah.
Maganda po yung control.
Aha.
Pag nag-clear po ako, umabot po sa likod. Di po katulad ng mga dito po.
Okay. Sige.
Third.
Sige. Matthew, tama.
Okay.
Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, guys.
Chico,
Chico.
15 years old.
15. Okay.
Apex.
Apex ano?
Lethal 10.
Lethal 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Anong string tension and string mo?
Pellet ata. Tapos,
Aha.
28.
28. Okay, so same thing. One by one. Miss hit. Go. Ano?
Feel ko, mataas. 30.
Next one daw. Bakit? Pangit. Ay. Sige. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, everyone remembers what their favorite color was, diba?
Orange.
Orange.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Orange.
Orange.
White.
Okay. So, 22. Yung red, or this one, 24. Ito, 26. Ito, 28. Ito, 30. Parehas lang. So, like, there's a few things that I thought of. One, A lot of you preferred, like, ano yung tension mo? Kung nasabi mo 26, nagustuhan mo yung white. Or ikaw, sabi mo yung tension mo 28, nagustuhan mo yung orange. Pero when we're hitting, na-notice ko mas malakas yung palo mo sa nabababa. So like 24 or 22. So yung theory ko, mas comfortable ka sa that tension. So you're saying it's better. Pero like if you look at the footage mamaya, mas malayo yung clears mo sa lower tension. Mas madali mag-generate yung power, diba? Yun yung point that I wanted to prove today here.
Mas maganda sa 24.
See, mas maganda yung 24.
Mas malakas yung power pag lower tension talaga.
Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you. Thank you guys.
24 tension.